all set.
If two strangers are this civilized to each other in person, then why are those same two strangers so uncivilized when behind the wheel?
Another stupid a-hole.
Could it all just be one big communication breakdown? Let's take a closer look.
Oh no, if he backs up any further, he's gonna hit my new Subaru. But if I beep, he'll think I'm just another stupid a-hole. Stop, you're gonna hit my new Subaru! Oh shit, man! Another stupid a-hole!
All just one big communication breakdown. Well, naturally, the only means of communication is a loud, brash, primitive horn. But in a world as advanced as ours, why hasn't something more advanced replaced it? Allow me to introduce the Civilized Car Horn. When a driver depresses his Civilized Car Horn, his horn will emit a peaceful waterfall to prompt the other driver. Then he can speak his exact message to the other driver into the horn's receiver, and after it has been civilized by a set of advanced peaceful communications algorithms, his message will be delivered gently to the other driver.
Stop! You're gonna hit my new Subaru!
Be careful, sir. If you back up any further, you may damage your nice new car by colliding it into my old piece of garbage. We wouldn't want that now, would we, sir?
No, of course not. You are a very considerate person. Jerry, is that you? Hey, Jose! Hey, there you go!
Yup, that's the civilized Jose and Jerry I remember. Now let's take a look at some other situations where the civilized car horn has helped transform an uncivilized miscommunication into a harmonious meeting of the minds.
What is this? I specifically ordered a light cream coffee.
I specifically ordered the black coffee. I hate coffee with cream in it.
Oh, what's this? I'm late for a meeting.
Screw you, a-hole, I'm checking my order.
Hey, retard, can you move it along? I'm late for a meeting.
Hello, road friend. I notice you have come to a stop just outside the drive-thru window. Can I assume it's because your order was inexact?
No, man, I ordered a black coffee, but it's got cream in it, but no, I'll survive.
Why'd you survive when you can blossom? Now I've got a wonderful idea. What do you say I swap you my black coffee for your light?
Oh, yeah, I'll pull up and we switch.
Hey, here you go.
I just need a job! Damn, you selfish morons! I just need a job!
I know you all have very hectic schedules.
You selfish morons!
But if one of you with a pair of jumper cables would kindly pull onto the shoulder behind me and offer me a jump, I would be forever indebted to you. Thank you all so much. It's so nice of you to expend your precious time to help a fellow driver in need.
You need a jump? Let me take care of everything for you, okay? Oh, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Wow, what an improvement. Hey, I wonder how Jerry's doing with his demo of the civilized car horn.
Man, I wish I wasn't late for work. I am starving.
Thanks, I needed an egg roll.
ขอบคุณฉัน